Hey, welcome to the ingredient channel, where I share easy to follow, healthy homemade recipes. In this episode, we're making an appetizing salad using dried tofu skin and seaweed. With the high protein carried by the tofu skin and the antioxidants in the seaweed, the salad is indeed nutritious. Our job is to make it tastier and more tempting. Let's go. The main ingredients: dried tofu skin, aka bean curd sticks, dried seaweed or kelp. Check out the links in the descriptions for both ingredients if you would like to purchase online. A little disclaimer, nothing is sponsored, it is solely for your information and convenience. Soak about half a cup of dried peanuts in the cold water, 2 sticks of the tofu skin, and 1½ large slices of the seaweed in cold water too. Now here's a trick to tenderize the tofu skin. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or rice vinegar to the water. Typically, the folded areas are thick and hard to rehydrate. Then spray some salt. The vinegar and the salt will speed up the rehydration process. Wait for about 2 hours. In a pot, add the peanuts, cold water, about 1 cup, salt, dark soy sauce, 1 small star anise. Bring to boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and drain the peanuts. Leave them in a large bowl. Now let's cut the rehydrated tofu skin into 1½ centimeter thick segments. Rinse the seaweed thoroughly and slice it into about 5 to 6 centimeter long and 1 centimeter wide slices. Let's chop some celery to ½ centimeter thick slices. In a pot with boiling water, add the tofu skin and boil for 5 minutes. Try not to overboil it, as we want to achieve a result of half tender and half chewy. Take it out. Then it's the seaweed's turn. Simmer for about 5 minutes too. Drain it and put into the cold water to rinse again. Drain the seaweeds and put them together with the rest of the ingredients in a large bowl. Last but not the least, the celery. Bring the water to boil again and simmer for about 5 minutes or until the celery turns translucent. Drain it and put it into the bowl as well. Add minced garlic, salt, light soy sauce, fish sauce, red chili powder, and dried shrimp. In a heated pan, add about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, Sichuan pepper, medium heat until the Sichuan peppers turn dark. Take them out. pour the hot oil on top of all the ingredients. Mix well. Then add some sesame oil. Mix again. Serve in your most beautiful plate. Well, someone is just eating out of the bowl now. The tofu skin absorbs the delicious liquid ingredients. They are soft and a bit chewy. The seaweed is with a hue of seafood taste, but not fishy. The celery and peanuts are crisp and delicious. What a perfect combo. Well, we're reaching the end of the video again. Hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, and bye-bye.